So do you have somebody you want to introduce?
Yes, I would love to introduce our newest South African millionaire, Lisa. She is a beautiful lady that is also changing so many lives on her side. Pregnant with twins, and she got to earn her first million in under 6 months. So there's no excuse for any.
Oh, I love it. Okay, I think I got her unmuted.
Yes, I am here. Good evening. Good evening. Hello, guys. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Oh my word. Oh my word, guys. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. All the time when I think of this amazing opportunity, Michelle, I just feel like, I can just cry. Like literally, I just become so emotional. With me, my story is different, guys. It was the beginning of this year, 2024, and then I found it out that I am pregnant. And even worse, I found out that I was pregnant with twins. And this is me, I'm unemployed. Like, I'm unemployed for years. But then now I'm asking myself, okay, how am I going to raise these two little ones that are coming in? Okay, when I found it out, and then I started browsing on TikTok. I started browsing, and then eventually, I saw this lady. Her name is Dee. I don't know if she's here. I saw her video on TikTok, and I saw Michelle's video as well. And then I said, you know what? This is for me. This is for me. I'm definitely doing this. Michelle, you will be amazed. For the first time in my life, I will be, because I don't have a medical aid, but it came to a point where I am now able to pay fully for me to go and give birth in a private hospital. All because of this amazing opportunity, guys. All because of this platform. And trust me, guys, it took me a whole 5 months for me to make my first million rand. Right now, I am going to my second one in no time. And trust me, this year, 2024, all I want to say, guys, is that if you are coming into this amazing opportunity, have no excuse. I am heavily pregnant as we speak, but people that are following me, guys, they know I am always there putting in the work each and every single day. There was a time my kids would even say, Mommy, here's your friend, Michelle, she's live. I'm like, oh my goodness, they even recognize her, they even know her. When Dee is live, here's your friend, she's live. So I need to go and listen. I need to go and learn something new each and every single day. If I can do it in a condition that I am, trust me, nobody else. No, you will never fail. You will definitely never fail. As long as you are someone who's consistent, as long as you're someone who's coachable, you are definitely going to do this. You don't have any other excuses. I'm always telling the people that are following me that, guys, don't have any excuse. Like literally, do not, because this is a proven blueprint for us. So I don't know, guys. Michelle, I began to dream again. All because of you, all because of Dee, because I purchased from Dee. And it's just amazing. It's just amazing, guys. And you know, for me, it wasn't easy when I started, because I was like, okay, is there anyone from South Africa? Is there any black person who's doing this? I'm like, of that. And eventually I'm like, okay, no, it's fine. Let me finish the study that what it needs to be. Eventually started. And guys, I said I believe in myself. I believed in myself. And there was the other time where Michelle was live and she was saying, because I started using Facebook, and I was like, okay, Michelle was like, Facebook is more of a drama, sort of. Ne? So you might just come out of Facebook. And I was like, no. She's talking to me directly. Let me just stick to TikTok, because TikTok is doing amazing. Look at me where I am today. I made my first million, going for the second one this year, 2024.